Howdy y'all, this is West Texas Picker, and today I'm going to be attempting to open the Paclock 90A-Pro. As we can see, this is a 200K key. Key does work. It's got some pretty good bitting, some very low bits at 5 and 6 with a medium bit on the medium pin on the 7th position. This lock, I don't know if all pack locks are particularly sticky, but I have noticed that this particular lock likes to snag a lot, so I'm going to rake it just to make sure my pins are loose. I'm going to be using Rebirth Turner in 40 thousandths for top of the keyway tension. You can hear those pins still hanging. I'm going to be using a gentle reek in 25 thousandths, also from Covert Instruments. Alright, we're on number 1. 1 feels like it is set. 2 feels like it's false set. It's going to be a spool pin. 3 is binding, false set. 4 is binding and just dropped something up front. Come back to 1. 1 feels like it is false set. 2 is binding, false set. 3 is loose. 4 is loose. 5 is loose. Try to reach to the back. Find 7. And it looks like we are open. Alright, I'm going to relock it. Use the key. Unlock. Use an Allen wrench. That I believe is the number 6mm Allen wrench. And I still do not have a follower that will actually fit in here, so we're going to hope and pray for the best. Long-winded screw. Screw. I'm going to pull the whole core, maybe. Base. Ball bearings, we'll go ahead and get both of those out. As we can see, no modifications. And since I do not have a follower, I'm going going to kind of have to change up my order of operations for taking this apart. So, take off my anti-drill plate, insert the key. I'm going to take out the pins from the bottom. Start with number 1. Number 2. I guess I got number 7 also. Believe you are number 7. Maybe. Number 3. Sorry for the fumbling. We'll go with 7 then. 6. And not sure why that just fell out. Ooh, that does not feel good. Guess we're gonna have to go and hope. I didn't just screw my whole lock up. Well, guess I found a new way to get a 90A-Pro. Alright, that is all gutted. We have a spring, 2 springs, got it, 3 springs, 4 springs, 5 springs, 6 springs, 7 springs. We have 1 spool, 2 spools, 3 spools, 4 spools, 1 serrated. And when I go to reassemble it, I will make sure what order they're supposed to go into. Get back here. You go right there. Thank you. So shy of my ingenious gutting method here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spools, 2 serrated, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 key pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 springs. That is far too short for that one. I guess we get to play the rekeying game. That looks correct. That looks correct. Everybody functions, everybody is level. Let's get some springs back in here. One. 2. Don't do that. Come on. I know y'all like each other. Give it up. This is a family show. 3. 4. Coming from the other side for the last 3. Oops. Dropped you. Dropped him again. Promise I know what I'm doing. I've done this at least one other time. 4. 5. Guess I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My apologies. I don't trust that count. I feel like I'm just gonna mess this all up today, which is fine. This is how we learn and grow, better ourselves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay these pins out I'm going to take it apart, and I actually took a picture earlier because I needed to see why it was binding. And there were actually all kinds of brass shavings inside. I don't know if that was from me trying to pick it all morning or if it was just some fit and finish issues. But I'm going to take this all the way apart again and repin it according to the photo I took earlier. So again, here's my disassembled lock, keys. Zoom in for the close-up. Thank you.